You're gonna find it. It's a vibe, baby. You're gonna find it. You're gonna find it. It's a vibe, baby. You're gonna find it. You're gonna find it.
Happy birthday, Pa. Thank you for always supporting us and guiding us through life. Everything you taught us means a lot to us. I hope you have an amazing birthday, filled with happiness, good health, and lots of laughter. I miss you, Pa, and can't wait to see you here in Finland, you and Mama.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Miss you and see you here in Finland
Wait, Lola.
with Lola.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Lo! Wishing you good health and happy life. Pa, I wish you good health and kita pirmi al cuerpo di tuyo. Pirmi to positive minds na mind. And enjoy life lang, Pa. Thank you for everything and sorry for everything. I love you, Pa. I miss you. See you soon.
Hi, Lo. I hope that ito'y celebration Ara Ali. You will have many happy memories and enjoy your special day. Kung without namin pyramid ito'y cuerpo always. Usadas di Lola, kanda tita. And hope naman hunto kita todos soon. We love you and thank you for everything. Once again, happy birthday.
Miss you all.
Hi Pa, happy birthday. I hope you're having the time of your life there in the US. I wish I could have been there, but hopefully we get to meet up soon again. I am so grateful for all the things that you've given me and all the support that you've given me throughout the years. I would not be the man that I am today without all your guidance and your help. I wish you and everyone in there to be safe, and I hope that you guys enjoy your day today. I'll see you soon. God bless. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ter!
Happy birthday, Walter. 70 years old. You're getting up there.
Yes, I don't want to think about it. It's just a number, so.
Wish we could be there with you.
Yes.
We got a lot going on here.
Yes.
But we're with you in spirit. We love you, and we hope you enjoy your day.
I'm wishing you all the best in life, Ter.
Okay, bye.
Good evening from Cebu. To my dearest cousin Walter, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Telin. Here's wishing you a life full of bliss and love with Malu and the family. One day, I hope to see you again in California. For now, enjoy your party, have fun, stay blessed and happy. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Walter. I just want you to know how thankful I am to have you as my big brother. Life would not be the same without you. Thanks for always being there through everything. kang advice to love and all the little moments in between. I pray that God continue to guide you, protect you, and bless you with good health and happiness and success in everything you do. I love you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, brother.
Go ahead.
Okay.
See.
I, Ter, wish you good health and wealth on your birthday. May you live long and beautiful life. Happy birthday, my good brother. Miss you.
Noy, I am sending you a long distance heartfelt happy birthday and a big hug. My dear brother, may God bless you with a long life, good health, and success. May your life be filled with happiness, peace, and love. Thank you for always including all of us in your prayers. Love you, brother.
Happy birthday nung Walter. I hope tagaan pa ka sa Ginoo og taas pa nga kinabuhi. Good health. Anpin mo permi. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Uncle Walter! Ter, happy 70th birthday. God bless. More birthdays to come.
Hello Walter, ¿qué tal? It's been a while since we last connected, but I wanted to take a moment today and wish you a happy birthday. I remember the times when we worked together. Your dedication and reliability always stood out, and those memories remain special to me. Although distance has kept us apart, you are warmly remembered both as a colleague and a family friend. May this year brings you happiness, good health, and success. I hope we can reconnect soon. Always bring the joy of youth wherever life will take you. Again, happy birthday, Walter, and regards to your family circle. God bless.
Hi, Walter. It's been more than 2 decades that we last seen each other. I guess that was in 1996, I believe. You were assigned in Shocon and Ramon was the commanding officer there. You were such a very dependable security for our family. And that was something that I truly treasure all these years. Perhaps it's about time that we have to reconnect and reminisce the good memories we spent together. As in Giwan, remember that? And also, like a year ago, a year rather, we were in Los Angeles. I met Xian and of course Malu, but it's so sad that you were not able to meet you there. Ramon was with me, and I believe you were here in Zamboanga City. So I guess I will not miss this occasion now. I'd like to really greet you a very happy 70th birthday. And may you live more years to enjoy the life with your family, because I know you're enjoying it there in California. So again, happy 70th birthday, and know that we always treasure how good you were to secure our family. Thank you so much, and have a blessed and a happy and joyous occasion on your 70th birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle Walter. Hope you have an amazing 70th birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Walter!
Basta, Antel. Happy birthday. Mora.
Happy birthday, Uncle Walter Macrohon. Among wish sa imo call ang good health and
More birthdays to come, Uncle.
and basta Uncle, enjoy your day. God bless.
God bless.
Maayong adlaw ko, Walter Macrohon. Di aron sa US. Ako maginaot. Nakakapirmi sa may kapiskay nga panglawas. Og imo karong anibersaryo sa imong adlaw na tawhan. Og ako nang hinaot usab nga hindi kay kapirmi sa kadautan tagaan og may lawas. Kung sa makausap pa, Happy Natal Day and God bless.
Happy 70th birthday, Uncle Walter. Inaot pa unta nga tagaan pa ka sa Ginoo og daghan nga adlaw na tawhan o maayong panglawas. Kamuduhan ni Auntie, amping mo di permi uban nila anan. Kami dire okay ra mi dire sa mainland. Thank you.
Hello, Walmart, my friend. Happy birthday, 70th birthday to you. Praying for your good health. Just continue serving God and your family. Continue the mission of Christ. God is good all the time. Enjoy your day, your special day, Walmart. Take good care always, my friend. Always pray, pray and pray. Again, happy birthday. Kini kami kiarap induction. Dahil mga Eagles, mga Nuevo te Entra Eagles sa Walmart ko. Ito. Todo. Takiki hermano di Juan di Lozano. Sina. Mapait siya Walmart no. Just enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you, ha? Thank you again for being a good friend to me. Take good care always and happy birthday again to my friend Walmart. Walter Macrohon.
Hi there! Happy 70th birthday to a wonderful friend Walter. 7 decades of life deserve a grand celebration. Wishing you continued and good health, joy and laughter as you embark on the new chapter of life. May this milestone be filled with loving memories, cherished friendships, and all the happiness you bring to others. Again, happy birthday, my good friend Walter Macrohon. Goodbye!
Happy birthday, little Walter.